yummysounds.com layout track.
Alright, what's good YouTube? This is J Profit FX right here. So um I currently promised you guys that I was going to bring to you guys a video on something very vital you guys need to understand. And trust me, after watching this video, your smart money concept trading will definitely get leveled up. Trust me, yep. So I want you to, if this is your first time getting on this channel, kindly subscribe. Yeah man, I'm trying my best as possible to bring up content for you all. You know, like I said, I try as much as possible to bring up content, free content that will definitely what bless your day and level up your trading of SMC concept. Yeah, smart money concept, I mean to say. So if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. All right, so no long talks, let's get straight into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, comment if possible. Yeah, so this video right now is all about the advanced part of market structure. If you don't know what market structure is all about, it is definitely one of the most important thing when it comes to smart money concepts and smart money trading. Yeah, if you don't know about market concepts, if you don't know about market structure, this thing is definitely going to not take you a long way. Yeah, you definitely need to understand all these things when it comes to smart money trading. Yeah, so I'm just going to take away everything I have on the chart right now and give you guys a quick breakdown. Yeah, I'm talking about market structure, right? Market structure is very important. Like I said, you need to understand and know what market structure is all about. Yeah, so this is how I'm going to put it right now. We have two types of market structures here. That's the way I define mine. I have two types of market structure. I have the external structure and the internal structure. Let's assume something like this JPUSD is in a downtrending market. Yeah, okay, so you have this lower sorry, you have this lower high here, lower low, lower high, lower low, a lower high point right here. So these are definitely our swing highs and swing lows from higher time frame. All right, on a higher time frame scale, this is my swing low. On a higher time frame scale, this is my swing high, this is my swing low right here, and this is another swing high here, same as here, another swing high. All right, so these are important highs that you need to pay attention to. Now, the fact that we are in a downtrend, of course, here is a break of structure, as you all know. Here definitely is the break of structure and the market. Okay, just definitely because we are in a downtrend. Yeah, and around this area we have a nice area of supply where price comes back to test, create a new swing low, swing high, I mean to say, and continue the momentum down. Right now, this is the external part or the external structure of the market on the higher time frame. This external structure simply means, or it tells, the overall direction of the market. Yeah, now what you need to know is that no matter what is happening on the lower time frame, the higher time frame definitely wins at the end of it all. Yeah, so this external structure is what we always focus on in taking our trade entries, right? No matter what's going on, if you understand this part, if you understand, this is a very premium content I'm giving out, but it's not a problem, man. I'm just here to help out as much as I can. Right, so here, this is the external structure right here, and the internal structure now looks like this, where we'll have the market moves, impulse correction, highs and lows, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high of a stuff. Right now, at some point, this is now where we have a change of character and price changes or turns into bullish. Right now, of course, that we know that if a market is in a downtrend, it moves in impulse correction, impulse and correction way. Right, so right here we have a change of character and price what turns bearish. This is the internal structure of the market. Right, and this internal structure of the market is what we definitely see on the 4 hours time frame. Trust me, that is where you see the internal structure of the market, and that is where you start building your structure from. Right, but you need to understand the daily time frame or the higher time frame, weekly or monthly or daily time frame, which is going to guide you in making your what market decisions. All right, so here is the internal structure of the market. This is what happens into the market internally. Yeah, then the external part of it is what we see on the daily, right? So let me show you what I have on the chart. Let me show you exactly what I mean on the price here on GBP USD. All right, so here on GBP USD, this is the swing high points I'm talking about. Let me just take back something. Okay, from me, yeah. All right, so we assume right here we are in a downtrending market. First of all, you need to understand the structure of the market. This is a downtrending market, so I'm seeing a break of structure to the downside, which is a BOS, right, and so on and so forth. It continues that way to the downside. Here's another break of structure. All right, so this kindly now identify what a downtrending market. This is my swing high. There's a swing low point, a swing low, another swing low. All right, here's a swing high. Okay, now there's something I literally do to check if a swing high point is actually a swing high point, right? I'll definitely pick up my fib. Price has to retrace at least 50% of what the initial price movement from this swing high to the swing low here. So as you can see, if I change my fib to my premium and discount fib, you can actually see that it is above 50 level, right? So once price retraces above or retraces at least 50% of the previous or initial impulsive move, that means that that price can definitely start selling at any point in time it finds area of supply. All right, so that is the reason why sometimes you guys just be like, okay, oh, price sold off or bought off imbalance and stuff. Yeah, it's definitely because price have already what came back or retraced at least 50% of that previous impulsive move. Yeah, so that's just what happens right there. Now taking a look at this market right here, you can actually see. Then I want to now determine we have a new swing high here which printed a new swing low and also a break of structure. So I'm just going to like use my fib again from this swing high point here down to the swing low. So as you can see, above 50% is my premium level. Yeah, if you, in case you don't know, like I said, I'm giving out premium content. Above the 50% is your premium level. So this simply means, or simply telling me that my POI has to lie above what this 50% area. And if you're not very observant, you need to like be observant and picking your POI. So I have a POI right here, which is the last what buy candle to sell a broke structure, right? So this is it right here. This indecision candle in the middle. As you can see, price is already there, right? Now I dropped to the 4 hours time frame now, but before that, now let me show you something. Like I told you on the daily time frame, this is a swing high, swing low, swing low, swing low, swing high here, right? So price went back to create a new swing high in order to what come back down again to break this previous structure. Why? Because we're in a downtrend, right? So what I'm trying to show you is that this is now the external structure of the market that we are looking at. That's the overall direction of the market we are looking at, right? So this is what I'm expecting. Okay, but now in within this structure on the 4 hours time frame where the internal structure lies, you start seeing what trends that looks like what an uptrending market, right, where price will change character and will turn bearish. Okay, at some point we turn bullish again. So don't get confused by all those things, right? It's just what price action and trends that are happening on what the lower time frame, same as when you push down to like other time frames. Yeah, so let's go to the 4 hours time frame. You're definitely going to see what I'm talking about. Now for instance, allow me to use a trend line just like detect what I'm saying. All right, I'm just gonna put this right here again. Let's say this area too. Let's set this area too. All right, so let's push to the 4 hours time frame. So as you can see on 4 hours time frame, this is now the internal structure I'm talking about. This is the internal structure I'm talking about, right, on the 4 hours time frame. Remember, this is my swing low point. Yeah, and as well we have the swing high here, swing low here, swing high here, swing low here. So you can see this is the 4 hours what trend. All right, so all you have to do is just like bear in mind the direction of the market and be focused on that direction of the market. No matter what happens, the overall direction will definitely will win. Yeah, and then there's something I would have said right now, but it's something I can't actually say because it's something that has, it's a topic of its own in terms of choosing order block from the previous past price movement. It is not going to hold. Right, in case you don't know, it is not going to hold. For instance, I see price imbalance here. I'm just going to pick this order block. For instance, you can see price came in there, and what did you see? Boom, price tail, like just went through it. Right, so always be focused in stuffs like this. Always be focused on the recent trend and not the previous trend. Yeah, the only time if demand takes over the market, focus on demand. If supply takes over the market, focus on supply. All right, here is a nice 4-hour change of character from a swing low, swing high, I mean to say that's a lower high point. That's a change of character right there. As you can see, change of character, and price will change bullish. Same as here, price turned bearish. At some point, change of character, price change bullish. All right, so this is a higher low point right here, and let's see. Let's mark out the higher low point, and let's see if we can get a change of character on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, boom. So you can see we have a change of character right here on the 4 hours time frame. If I drop to like 2 hours time frame here, you can definitely see what tons of liquidity in the market. This is liquidity. Right here again as well. This is liquidity. Trendline liquidities. So if I drop back to like 4 hours time frame, now what I need to do is, since price has started coming back, let me play the price again. Let me see if price start returning back. Okay, so since price returned back, yeah, I need to mark out an area of supply, so where I can actually sell my trade from. So but I need to use my fib in the first place, from the swing high to the swing low. So this definitely means that my POI has to be somewhere above here. So I've taken note of that, and the only place I can see left alone is I have liquidity here. So those points are not free, so definitely somewhere around here, and this is where I'm likely to pick my POI from. Boom. So what do I do next is what, drop down to a lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame for confirmation. And if you all don't know about confirmation, it's all about looking for change of character from a lower time frame perspective. And let's see if we're going to get a change of character. Okay, boom, we have a change of character right now, which is this what, this higher low point being taken out. All right, after it's taken out, okay, I'll wait for price to start returning. Okay, so price is returning back. So let me use my fib again to check where my POI is likely to be. 50% level. So my POI has to be around above here. So but the only place I'm seeing free right now, let's check the 30 minutes. So on the 30 minutes, I only have one particular what area, which is this what indecision candle right here. That's my POI. And if I set an order around that area, let's see, my target is what, this downside. I'll tell you why I put my target right there. So I have like 24 pips SL. So let me play the price. So price mitigated, and let's see. Okay, price what is starting to drop, right? So see, JPUSD selling, yeah. But now I have an area of liquidity down here where I'm focusing on for price to take out. So play the price. Let's see. So as you can see, TP is smashed on JPUSD. All right. So if you want to get this whole concept right, if you want to like know how I do this, like if you want to know how to like get all this trade in particular, currently message me on Instagram at the link. It's like my Instagram name is in the bio, in the link, yeah, in the description of this video. Kindly message me on Instagram And mentorship is lifetime access. Get access and learn all this thing for free. Yeah. So J Profit FX here, signing out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if possible, right? So YouTube can actually recommend this video to like many people that would definitely want to see it. So guys, J Profit